Oh, we gotta get the coloring on it too. The color. We gotta do a picture. All of us. Gotta get right after. Hey, I got the Baylor.
In celebration of Veterans Day, and in honor of all the brave men and women who have served or continue to serve our country in warring teams, some of whom are or have been members of the Sound of the South, we dedicate this performance to all service members. During our Walk of Honor, we invite our veterans and their families, current service members, and the families of those unable to be here while serving during this holiday season to stand and be recognized when their service song is presented. The Army. The Marines. The Navy. The Coast Guard. The Air Force.
Hey, get a picture of those.
Throughout our history, it has been because of our military service members that our great nation has enjoyed the freedom to pursue those ideals guaranteed in the Constitution of the United States of America: life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. For the sacrifices you have undertaken to provide a safe and free nation to our children and our children's children, we humbly say thank you.